Today we're painting something new and exploring an abstract technique, so grab your paints and brushes and let's begin. So for today I have a canvas, I have a jar of water, I have two kinds of brushes, a wide flat brush and a long flat brush. I have phthalo blue, pale blue, ultramarine blue, pale yellow, orange yellow, I have some titanium white and some black. I'm not going to be using this in the painting, but I will be using this just at the end. So starting off, I'm not going to be using any, I'm just going to be bricking my canvas with some water. Ever since I lost my spray bottle, I have not been able to find a spray bottle that works as well. So I have just been sprinkling my canvas and then brushing my fingers over it to get my canvas nice and wet to start off with. I don't exactly know how we're going to achieve this painting, so I'm going to do what I have in my mind and then we'll see how it goes from there. So I'm going to grab the phthalo blue and I'm just going to start off by adding paint, blobs of paint in any direction. I don't think it really matters. I'm using soft body, so if you have heavy body will probably work with this as well. Then going on to my next color, I'm going to do pale blue. We're just going to try to get different colors of blue around so we get a variety. Now for the pale yellow, kind of very specific, I want a kind of sun in the middle of my painting. So I'm just going to be painting kind of like that. Maybe do a bit of white added to it. And then some white as well. Swirling and whirling all the way around the painting. Okay, then get some of that ultramarine blue. Not too much of the ultramarine, just because it is a very strong color. And once I feel like we've had enough, okay, now this may not be enough paint, but we're going to try and see if it is. I'm going to maybe add a touch more phthalo blue. I'm just going to blob it now. Maybe sprinkle a bit of water on it. So sprinkle some water just so we can make sure that the paint is going to move nicely. Then again, going in with some more white. Don't think we can have enough white. Okay, right, I think we're good to start off now. So we're going to start off with dry brushes. I think this is how we do it, and I'm going to start off from here. And I'm going to start moving my brush in an upwards and downwards motion. Okay, take my brush, and I think that's my orange done because I don't want to go into the blue. And we're going to do the exact same. So I'm going to be holding my canvas. And now I'm going to start off by, with my dry brush, moving and grabbing and doing these kind of I'm just swirling my brush in and I'm moving it in a motion Okay, so I am dripping with paint right now, which is what we want. We want enough paint. So we're just doing these swirls. Too much paint, I think. Well, that's okay. Hey, it's better we have enough paint than not enough. Now, we obviously have... I need to get some... Okay, I'm just going to just remove the excess off. And I'm going to go in with some more white. Just because I feel like it needs to lighten up slightly. And we can kind of create these kind of zigzag and I just want to okay, so now I feel like the orange that I have left on my brush, I didn't wipe it off, and I kind of just want to go into that a little bit, like so. And obviously and then maybe add a tiny bit of black that I can then go in with a smaller brush to create kind of a more darker versions. I think it's really just about playing with the colors and trying to maybe add some white here, like so. Now we're doing it with just going in with lighter colors, and with the brush you can also then now pick up but at the same time you don't want the colors to become too, you do want contrast built in, so I'm going to try to get that. Okay, so let's go in here with the blue. So, and then here with the blue. Okay, so we're adding some variety. Now we're going to go in with the white and kind of maybe do a swirl like so. Maybe go in here with a little bit of white just to lighten up that area and kind of do a little white like that. And then with the black, so now we've kind of got that abstract effect. With the black, I'm gonna, using the tip, I'm gonna draw some kind of birds flying away. maybe draw another one. Maybe one here. Like so. And then we can do small little yellow maybe some yellow dots. And then maybe some white. I really hope you enjoyed getting loose with today's fun tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to come back because I post new videos every single week.